I'm Andrew Stevens. I'm the Director of Sales and Marketing at ITS, and we're a UK-based systems integrator who specialise in control systems, automation and digital solutions in highly regulated environments. Yeah, so the key market industries that we work within the UK is pharmaceutical, life science, energy, power and renewables. Yeah, so COPA-DATA are a really important partner to ITS. They enable us to provide our clients with highly flexible, scalable solutions, and also have a variety of different kind of subscription models which help our clients in their projects. Greatest value for us as a business is certainly the kind of scalability and ease of use for the system. It's been really helpful for us with our clients, and the connectivity and the drivers in which the platform allows us to utilise is really helpful. Yeah, so companies just getting started with zenon, I think it's great to start with a smaller project that can be scaled. Working collaboratively with the COPA-DATA team is great. Great team to work with, very helpful, very collaborative. So yeah, just do it. Just reach out to the team and just explore what options and how the system can support your business. Yeah, so what I like most about being a COPA-DATA partner is just that the partnership. Very collaborative, very open relationship, which is great. Two-way relationship. It allows for, just a great partnership to work with and introduce into our clients. It just works really well.